Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now by macerating strawberries so they release juice quickly. Add 2 cups hulled berries to a blender with 2 Oz tequila, 1 Oz triple sec, and 0.5 Oz agave. Pulse until coarse. Once done, check sweetness and balance. Taste for brightness and adjust with a splash more agave or a squeeze of lime. Meanwhile, prepare a rocks glass rimmed in salt or sugar and fill with ice so the glass chills while you finish the mix. You now control texture and concentration. Add 0.5 to 1 Oz fresh lime juice to the blender and pulse 6-8 seconds for a slightly chunky, on the rocks feel. Longer blending yields smoother puree that dilutes differently on ice. Once done, evaluate viscosity. If too thick, add a tablespoon of cold water or a few ice cubes and pulse once. Make sure to taste for balance, acidity versus sweetness, and strain through a fine mesh if you want a cleaner finish without seeds. You finish by pouring the strawberry margarita over fresh ice in the pre-chilled glass, making sure it tumbles gently to avoid over-dilution. Garnish with a strawberry wedge and a lime wheel to signal brightness. Once done, stir gently only if layers separate. Aggressive stirring melts ice and flattens flavor. If the drink is too sweet, add a squeeze more lime. If too weak, add 0.5 Oz tequila and retaste. Make sure to serve immediately for best texture and aroma.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.